Hello, hi, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kate. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So today I am going for the glacier view with sea kayaking. So I'm gonna show you around. Come along with me.
Mohan spot punjise yedebra Mohan sea kayaking kuribole ase aro it takes 45 minutes from the cruise port.
Super wet.
Sweet. And then you guys can hop in there for cats.
It's not really, it's not too much of a worry over here. It's mostly just like more 42 minutes.
You got those boots on?
Yes.
Okay, shoes go in this bin. Are you thinking you want a spray skirt today? The water is about 40 to 45 degrees.
Did you want to bring your
All it does is cover the opening of the kayak and it keeps the water from splashing up on you.
Okay.
So it's kind of hot out today, so do you feel like you want one or no?
Maybe I'm gonna get one.
Okay.
Yeah.
So step into them. I have this for you. You can step into it, and then there's like overall straps that come around the back and clip in.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's what she said. It's going to be warm out there. She said.
And once you have those spray skirts on, you're good to go ahead and grab your life jacket. They're right here. They're one size fits all.
You have the strap?
Yeah.
That's it. So you lift like this and the bottom? Yeah, because they'll attach to the, it'll go.
तो itu waterproof phone cover ase bishi useful ase underwater de bhi apni video khan photo khan shoot koribo paribo aro I paid $10 for this.
I think this is 4.
We don't have anything small.
This is 5.
We don't have any 4s left.
Oh,
Are they huge?
so this is the smallest one you have now.
Yes.
Okay, that's okay.
Okay, I'm so sorry.
That's okay. Thank you. Oh my god, look at me. Pani da jabole ase etu life jacket to compulsory ase aro etu kayak te lagawole ase tu pani aharam de apni ke like dress khan nabi jawo karne. I'm so excited.
Perfect. Yes. That
Yay!
worked out so
Finally
well.
I'm here. Thank you. Excited.
Oh yes. Okay, so we're gonna head right down here to our kayak. We'll be out on the water in just a minute.
Oh my god, pedal crew paravana nai moina jni. Breakfast khaina ase. I hope I'm strong enough.
More experience sitting in the back, and the person who. Okay, so first things first. I'm Aubrey. I'm your sea kayak tour guide today. I'm gonna go around checking your life jackets just one more time, so I make sure they're nice and tight. If you hold your arms in a T, that helps a little bit. Might need to tighten yours just a little. We want to keep these nice and tight. Tighten yours a little. Because it's your way that we pull you out of the water in the event of a wet water exit. So we want to pull you out of the water and not just your life jacket. So make sure to keep those nice and tight the whole time we're out there. Have any first-time kayakers on board?
Yeah. Me.
Okay, just a few tips I have for y'all. If you're looking for a good place to hold your paddle, you can set it on top of your head and find a 90-degree angle with your arms. That's just a good place to hold it. When you're actually paddling, you're going to dip in near your toes, push the water backwards, lifting your full upper body because it uses your core more, rather than windmilling your arms and getting tired. Also, sitting up straight instead of leaning back the whole time helps use your core so you don't tire out as quick.
It's like a piece of Tupperware.
Yeah.
Awesome.
There you go.
Talaga first time I say kayak grotto and it was a nice experience. About 30 minutes nis na kayak cruise. So this tour is about $249 per person adult.
So we're going back to the place where we were before. We're gonna have some snacks, some refreshment.
And now we are going for the next tour for whale watching.
Thank you. There you go.
That is a moment, but
Thank you. Thank you.
Wow, look at that. Fresh salmons. That is why we are here for salmon bag. It is a part of our whale watching tour. And look at the place. They look really nice and cozy. And they have a big table for a big group of people. And I am starving right now, so let's just get some food. America আছে তো তাখালা খানা খাব লাগে উপায় নাই salad খাব লাগে কি দিয়েছে এটো খাব লাগে
Nick, where's this? Can you help me bring plates up?
And of course rice as always. And here is a special one, salmon back. This is one of my favorite.
Thank you. Pork ribs is so nice.